This is a review about the high performance swivel XL pet vacuum by Hoover. I really like it. I just love it actually. Because it really works. I want to show you guys how. Okay. Actually, this is stuff that I was vacuuming like 5 minutes ago. So just it really works. This is a wool rat. So it's pretty hard to vacuum, but you can see how it really takes away everything. So there you can see. It's also wonderful. It has light, so you can clearly see all the dust and things that need to be cleaned. And yeah, you can see like all this stuff. So yeah, I recommend this. I actually love this brand. I don't know too much about the brand, but this is my second item from this brand, and yeah, I truly love it because it really works. I had other brands before. It doesn't matter which ones, but some that are pretty, like, the name is pretty famous and stuff, but you know, they didn't work as this one worked. So yeah, 5 stars. To recommend it, and yeah.